Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of the cutest Christmas decorations you've ever seen.
We'll see.
Let's get into it. Now every year I design a new Christmas critter and make a full set of templates which I put on our website. I'll leave links to all those templates in the description below. So far we have a Christmas moose, which is hands down still my favorite one, and some Christmas penguins. Look at those little cute guys. And some Christmas bears made out of log cookies. And the Christmas critter for this year, wait for it, is a Highland cow. Let's get started. To start off, I raided my scrap wood shelves for some 3/4 inch material. This year I'm using some plywood. I used the template and some graphite paper to trace on the pieces. And then headed over to the scroll saw to cut them out. The hair and nose pieces I actually cut out of some 1/4 inch thick material. With all the pieces cut out, I did a quick dry fit before sanding them down. I spray painted the body, head, hair, and nose, and yes, this is the same color that I used on the lollipop turkey, but I think it makes a great Highland cow color. I used some Oops paints and craft paints on the hooves, horns, nose, and hair, and then after retracing the face back onto the pieces, I went over them with some paint pens. With all the pieces dry, it was time for assembly with glue and brad nails. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Taylor, where's the Christmas part of this cow?
That's a very good question.
Glad you asked. I added some of the same ornaments from Dollar Tree that we used on the moose and a little bit of ribbon, but that's not all. I picked up a set of these battery-operated mini lights from Walmart that have green wire, and they look exactly like a miniature set of real Christmas lights. I wrapped the lights around the cow and secured them in place along with the battery pack with a little bit of hot glue. Oh man, this is going to be a tight race for favorites with my moose. But we're not done yet. I loaded the templates into the We Create software, shrunk them down a bit, and cut out all the pieces. With some paints, markers, super glue, and some ribbon, I now have ornament versions of my Christmas critters. Okay, I have to say, I think this little cow has officially grabbed first place as my favorite, even over the moose. Like I said before, the templates for this cow are available on our website, along with all the other templates for the other Christmas critters. Just hit the links below if you want to build any of them for yourself. If you're not interested in building a full-size cow, then you can always shrink down the template and make little ornaments like I did. A big shout out to all our Grove members who help support this channel. Y'all get the templates for the cow for free over on the member site, so make sure to head over there and print off your free copy. I want to hear what you think about a Christmas version of a cow, and if you have any ideas for the critter that we can do next year, let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.
We wish